Okay, so before I even start, let me tell you that this is not just a normal video and this video might play with your emotions a bit. Because in this video, I'll state out a lot of aspects जहाँ India China से कमजोर है. So if you are someone जिससे अपने देश की खराबी सुनी नहीं जाती, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And to all the people who are still hanging out there and wanna know is China actually better than India? Let's go. Okay, so before we know if China is actually better, let's know कि चाइना ने ऐसा क्या किया या फिर चाइना में ऐसा क्या है जो कि भारत देश में नहीं है. The camera I'm using to record this video is Canon. It's made in China. The phone I'm using to record my voice is OnePlus. It's made in China. But ऐसा क्या हुआ कि till 1990 China just manufactured 3% of all the products in the world. But देखते ही देखते till 2018 this number increased from a 3% to a massive 25%. Let's know how. In this video we are gonna talk about 4 reasons why China is ahead of India and is obviously better than India. The very first reason why India is behind China is because हम भारतीयों को पता ही नहीं है कि हम कमजोर हैं. Media is the reason. Let's be honest, Indian media is divided into two parts. On one side there are news channels जिनको government की तारीफ करने से फुर्सत ही नहीं, and on the other side there are news channels जिनको ruling party की सांस लेने से भी तकलीफ है. Some of you might not agree with me, but the most interesting fact is Indian media stands at position number 142 out of 180 countries in the world. The second big reason why India is behind China is because of the type of government that prevails in China. China is a country which is run and ruled by a dictatorship or one-party government. Okay, so how is this a benefit? Let me explain. China is being ruled by the same communist party since the last 70 years. What this has done is this brought stability throughout the country. And any international company would like to invest in a country with a more stable government. जब कोई कंपनी चाइना में अपना बिजनेस सेटअप करता है तो उन्हें ये डर नहीं लगता कि ऑपोजिशन वाले क्या कहेंगे या फिर जाति धर्म जात पात के नाम पर कोई उनके बिजनेस तो ना खराब कर दे. इन इंडिया इफ एनी कंपनी वांट्स टू सेट अप अ प्लान तो पहले तो कोर्ट एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस का झंझट, ऊपर से देयर आर आल्सो बिग मेजर फैक्टर्स लाइक करप्शन. जस्ट थिंक, कोई भी कंपनी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल से सिग्नेचर करवाने के लिए लाखों रुपए क्यों ही खर्चा करेंगे. नंबर 3 इज वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोडक्शन. इफ यू आर समवन हु थिंक्स कि चाइना सिर्फ सस्ता बेकार और डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट्स बनवाते हैं, देन लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स आर मेड इन चाइना. गुची, OnePlus, Apple products, all of them are made in China. But फिर भी चाइना सब कुछ सस्ते में कैसे बना लेता है? There are factors like government support, skilled labor and all, but the biggest secret is mass production. China collects detailed information about the people's need of a specific product in an area, and also the availability and pricing of the same product in that same area. And then they will manufacture the same product in their country in mass numbers. Not 1, not 10, not 100. They will manufacture the same product in numbers of millions. इससे होता क्या है कि दे सेव अप अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. 10 करोड़ आइटम्स का रॉ मटेरियल एक ही बार में एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बार बार नहीं, सिर्फ एक ही बार करेंगे. बाय डूइंग दिस दे सेव अप अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. एज अ रिजल्ट दे आर एबल टू सेल दैट सेम प्रोडक्ट इन अ मच लोअर कॉस्ट. जो चीज 100 रुपए में इंडिया में बिकती है वो सेम चीज चाइना 70 रुपए में बेच सकता है. एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ चाइना इज डोमिनेटिंग ऑल द मार्केट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड. Now let's talk about the fourth thing, education and skill set of China. A lot of Indians think that China is having a very cheap labor. Wrong. China doesn't have cheap labor, China has skilled labor. And this skilled labor resulted in faster manufacturing and better quality of the products. If an Indian labor can assemble 200 machines in a week, then a Chinese labor will assemble those 200 machines in just 2 days. But what is the reason behind this speed? Why are they being able to manufacture products of better quality and also at a higher speed? Education. Chinese government and their citizens have taken some serious steps in terms of their education. And by education, I don't mean classroom education and copying assignments. Proper field training, promotion of world culture, education outside of the books, education more than the books. Which is the reason why every Chinese is an expert at something or the other. See, the goal of this video is not to prove that China is better or India is a loser. I just want the Indian government and media to know that India is a country with a huge potential. And कहीं ना कहीं because of these differences, fights and misunderstandings, हम अपने ही देश को खतरे में डाल रहे हैं. And I think this is a high time to unite and work together. आखिर हमारा देश हमारे ही हाथ में है. If you are watching this video till here, I have a small request to make. Share this video to at least one person and one group so that people know what's the real scene and be actually prepared for what's coming. Till then, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all.